17-year-old boy Surjit Lodhi has been conferred with the prestigious 2021 Diana Award in a virtual ceremony for bringing change to the lives of people in his village. His crusade against alcohol and spreading awareness for education has made him an inspiration for other children. The Diana Award is instituted in the memory of late Princess of Wales. It is given to young people between the age of 9 and 25, appreciating their humanitarian efforts. The charity of the same name is given out by the charity, which her two sons support, Prince William, the Duke of Cambridge, and Prince Harry, the Duke of Sussex. This year, the award was conferred to 400 people across the world. Most of the male population in Surjit's village spend their income on alcohol. They would abuse their wives and children under the alcohol's influence. Surjit, with the support of Gram Panchayat, led to the closure of 5 liquor shops in the village. His own story was no different. He and his mother were regularly subjected to violence and abuse by his alcoholic father. This triggered him to bring about a change in the mindset of the men in the village. With the help of support of the Gram Panchayat, Surjit was instrumental in closing 5 liquor shops in the villages and helping curb alcohol abuse, which the men in the village would often commit. With the help of Bal Mitra Gram, a flagship program of the Kailash Satyarthi Children's Foundation team and Children's Council, Surjit has been instrumental in awareness organizing campaign in the 5 villages and reached up to more than 400 people, including village council members. Drawing inspiration from him, women from Bhilai and Sahava village joined hands to demand finance for their children's education instead of spurging them on alcohol. After a 2-year-long crusade, the team was successful in forcing the village council and district administration to close down 5 shops in 2019. With the Kailash Satyarthi team support, he gained the confidence to speak in public, talk to the leaders and influencers with conviction, and influence women and children, asking them to come forward and spearhead the movement. Surjit helped over 120 villages in his children to get access to education and continue in school. During the lockdown, Surjit and Children Council took the initiative to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic in the village. His team ensured villagers get access to food, adhere to government protocols, and help to promote the COVID-19 vaccination drive in his village. The relentless effort also helped ensure no cases of child trafficking, child labor are reported from the area.